Hello viewers, welcome back to today's video. Today's video will be about another Google application that is actually a widely known and used application. I don't know if all of you knew it is part of Google, but then YouTube, that is YouTube, is a very essential tool we have all used before. I know. Yes, here you can just easily access information about a variety of things, almost everything, anything you want to learn about. Actually, it is just a source of information. It can easily show you a step procedure of how to do that specific task you are looking for. It can help you actually, yes, visualize and see outcomes of what you are going to do before you actually do, because simply using Google or text from Google may not actually give you the picture, but YouTube, because it is a video, it is actually showing you what is happening. It's, yeah, that is the importance about it. So let me go ahead and open my Google Chrome. That is my Google browser. So you can easily access it if you have it on desktop, or if you have it, you can just type here YouTube in your browser, YouTube, and click, or you can just go to in a Google Chrome browser. You can just simply hit this, click on this Google app icon, the Google Apps icon, which can give you now the variety of options, which is now in which now the YouTube is found. So when you click on it, it can open. Yes, and as you are seeing, we have actually have it is just basically a source of information about a variety of things. Those who are interested in football, you can see here there is highlights of the what Man City Burnley match which they won. We have a variety of things. Have you can easily look for anything you want to. You can easily find anything you want to look for. Let me say, yes, let me say I want to find about Samsung S26 update. Release date, let me say release date or release information. Yes, you can just simply type in the search bar. Yes, and then you can find out, then you can easily find out the video you
If your
want,
resume
and
isn't getting
then
traction, it might be time to
yes,
change up your strategy and see what the data actually.
It's official. The biggest, most important upgrade of the Galaxy S26 Ultra is now finally here. It's not even been 7 days since the iPhone 17 series global launch, and they have already been defeated, as the Galaxy S26 Ultra will indeed be the fastest phone in the world, rocking the fastest CPU in the world, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Not only are we going to see all the new improvements, but also see head-to-head comparison with the A19 Pro chip inside the iPhone 17 Pro, giving us a glimpse of how the S26 Ultra will stack up against the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This goes beyond just numbers, because Galaxy S26 Ultra could bring Samsung's biggest video upgrade, perhaps the biggest video upgrade on any Android phone ever, finally matching or even outperforming Apple's video dominance, plus for the first time introducing something that's gonna make the iPhone look even more outdated when it
yes,
comes to AI
as you can
features are
see,
concerned.
yes, that is just basically a video about uh the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that will be actually released probably in the near future. You can just simply find out anything you're interested in. You can search about any medic any any let me say cooking recipes, in case you're interested in, let me say cookies recipes. You can just decide, you can go ahead and look at any video and follow them by step to achieve the best results. That is, yes. Another thing, YouTube, you can actually use it as you to create content. You can simply just tap create and probably upload a video you want. You can upload a video, or you can upload a short, or you can about anything. You can become a content creator, and actually a variety of people have made lots of money in the content creation in these recent years. I don't know if you have all heard about uh, a popular YouTuber that is called Mr. Beast. Yes, that Mr. Beast has actually benefited a lot from YouTube, and this is actually an inspirational idea to all of you. For example, if you feel you can manage, or you have the ideas and the creativity, yes, you can go ahead and join, because it is actually the world nowadays wants people who add to it uh, through the creativity and problem solving techniques people may have come up with. So this marks the end of my video, today's video, which was about YouTube, the various things, how to use it. Yes, so that is basically about YouTube. Thank you very much for tuning in at this point in time. I want to say goodbye to you, and let's meet all in the next video.